Hi everyone. So I had a question about how to add audio into your Flipaclip, and I'm making this tutorial to show you guys what you need to do to add audio into your Flipaclip projects. So what you want to do is you want to go here in the left hand corner, right at the bottom here where you have the musical symbol, and you want to tap that. When you tap that, it opens up this, and here there is two things that you can, there's actually three options that you have right here at the right hand corner. You have a musical symbol, the first one. When you tap on that one opens the audio library that actually Flipaclip has to offer. But these sounds you can only use if you have premium access to Flipaclip. For example, you see the first option that says City Sound Effects. When you tap on that, you're going to see this diamond symbol that says these sounds are included. To use them, you have to have premium access. But they're beautiful sounds, and you could go ahead and use those if you have the premium access. The second one is a microphone with an addition sign to it. If you tap on that one, it's going to allow you to record your own voice, or to use the voices that you're recording through your own microphone of your tablet, phone, or whatever you're using Flipaclip on. It's pretty much the same exact procedure across the board. I'm going to dismiss because I don't want to record that, and I don't want it to tamper with the recording that I'm doing right now. But that's how you actually record your own voice to add to your Flipaclip projects. Now, the third one is the most interesting one, and I think this is what everybody uses mostly. So when you tap on the third one, it allows you to use audio from your phone or from your tablet or from your iPhone, whatever that you're using Flipaclip on. As you can see here, for me, it prompted iTunes library because I'm using it on an iPad. It also prompted the files, and it prompted me to cancel. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the files, and you can see it opens up my files. It opens up everything that I have on this iPad. And you can see up top here, I have two sounds that are actually active that I can go ahead and import. I'm going to tap on the one that says 11-second club, and it will work on your voice or whatever audio you want to import, and it will bring it into Flipaclip. So I'm going to go ahead and play this so you guys to show you that it actually has imported a 10-second, 999 second audio in here. And if you play it...
Is this some kind of a joke, Captain?
If it is jokes you desire, I could summon the court jester.
Summon the court jester! Hold the jester!
You can see now this is the audio that I'm going to be importing, and you can see now it's in my down here. You could see it's in my project, and I could go ahead and start animating or using it in my project the way I want. And now you can see in my project here, the sound is underneath here where I have it. It's down here when you see where the frames are, but underneath it, you could see the sound wave down there that I can go ahead and use in my project. And if I play it even here on the editor, you can hear it.
Is this some kind of a joke, Captain?
And the other thing is, if you actually want to open up your sound thing to be able to see it more, or to be able to see where the sound effect is, where it starts, where it ends, to zoom in, you just have to tap in that red thing that shows down underneath your keyframes. Also, to put it down, up top here in the left hand corner, you have an arrow that brings it down, but to bring it up, you just tap into it. To bring it down, you just tap on the left hand side or up top to bring it down. And that's how you add sound to Flipaclip, guys, and you can just go ahead and start animating as you wish. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to be back with other pro tips of using Flipaclip. Bye-bye for now.